Hello everyone. 4 stones, one of which broke while cutting, so you can only cut 4 of them. Then thank you for your attention. Is suddenly grown so many fans. That's it. Quite spoiled. If then in the future will be better good video, will update better quality video to share with everyone. Well, the first 2 or 3 issues updated amethyst, and then many friends said can they post more videos like this? Then this issue was the Mamaga side and made 4 more, usually 1 by 1, and then this time doing 4 at once. These 4 stones are also from the morning and then busy until the afternoon. The fans' requests I will try to meet because I am a fully blogger. Then now let me explain the polishing process to you. The worst thing is that the can has been rubbed. There are 4 stones in total. As you can see, are between 2 and 3 layers. I can give light to the stone now. Soaking the light is really a very important process because if the throw is not bright, it will affect the overall effect. See, what I throw is actually still bright. Our layer by layer of bubbles now give the other 2 layers of bubble light. I have now run bright can steps. Have done these 4. They are all very bright. Nowadays, bare waste is also an important part of maintaining it. If the waste is not bright, it will not be beautiful. You have to do 59 by then. I now take the treasure down and pinch. Turn your face to start, almost stops. Then the pavilion cannot be the same as the department. Then, if you usually like gems, remember to follow me. Suddenly a lot of fans, I'm also very grateful to you. And then later I will prepare some benefits, is the draw or say. First think about what way to use, will give back to the fans so everyone pays attention to me, is not going to lose money. Old fans are more benefits. I have now given steps to throw safety. But this time I made 2 stones with a unique cut, so I had to sand 2 more layers of mosaic surface that didn't run out. Now it's better to have a massage because then the results will be much better for a while. We can see the effect by looking at it after cleaning the gemstone and then reveal it to you. Now what about after guessing the gem? There will also be residual plastic on his countertop, and then he has to soak some alcohol. If he doesn't soak alcohol, it will be difficult to remove this plastic. Then after shooting the alcohol, this needs to be cleaned to clean. Moisturizing can become bling bling. After finding Baidu power, a wipe with alcohol, basically clean. It is the effect of casual rubbing as a photo taken. Then there was the video taken the morning of the 2nd day under natural light. Because yesterday when I was doing this gem, I was also busy from morning to evening. Then it's not good to take photos because the time to tell the time still depends on natural light, so today only updated the video. Remember to follow me if you like. I am everyone. Bye.